So here is the distributed system that has been designed and developed. It's a travel intermediary that basically allows the user to search for tickets on specific days from specific locations to destination, and then basically allows them to choose and reserve tickets and basically purchase them at the end. So I'm just going to go through each step here. So you basically start off by registering account. I'm already logged in as with my email, but I'll log out and I'll log back in by registering a new account. So I'll just type in random. So I've registered an account, I've logged in. Now I'm going to search tickets. So let's say for 12th, return date 30th. Origin I can pick Aberdeen, United Kingdom, and destination would be somewhere in Abu Dhabi. There's one passenger that you enter, and then we basically search. The application communicates with two APIs. One is from Sabre and one is from Amadeus, and here we can see there's no results from Sabre, but it did get results from Amadeus, and it's showing us there's 3 results, 3 tickets for that specific day between those 2 locations there. So the next step here is we can reserve a ticket. The ticket would be reserved onto my account for 80 seconds. It gives me the time to basically enter card details in order to purchase the ticket. So I'll just enter my card details. This part is fictitious, just to represent reality, how the system will work. Here it's simulated to basically be successful 80% of the time and fail 20% of the time, just to show the reality how some systems can basically fail due to insufficient funds or basically not authorizing with the bank, etc. So here we can see that it was successful. The ticket has been purchased and email sent to our account. This was basically the basic functionality of this app, and then we can basically log in and log out, and that's about it. Thanks very much.